All right, let's go over the new layout changes in Srcbook. So let's create a website. Made a couple typos. All right, we're live. So I created this habit tracker with like habits. I can add a habit like this with a color. Cool, this is pretty cool. We'll explore this in a second when we'll make some changes. I want to walk you through a bit of the layout changes. So on the right, we have the chat panel. It's resizable now. It's smaller like this, even disappear, and they're going to bring it back like this, toggle it in and out. So resizable chat panel. And then you can do your mobile view here to see how your website looks on mobile. You can see the code here. So all the code is here. You could search for the code. If you wanted to search for a specific file, you could see it here. You can make the app full screen in the full screen preview like this, and you can quit it up here. Great. Then you have this new URL bar, so I could go back home. I only have one page right now, so all these are going to do the same thing, but this is loading the home bar. This would just refresh the page as you would expect, and if I had multiple pages, I could go to like the profile page or another page like this. Let's build one in a second, but I don't have one yet. What else do we have? So the logs are now here under developer show logs. You could come and see the logs if you ever look at those. And similarly under developer, you could restart the sandbox or download the code. You can duplicate your application here. So this is creating a copy. Let's go back and look in the original one. You could publish it like before to the web right here. I might publish it here and call it like habit tracker. Look at this. That's also .app, so that's publishing. Right, something new. So now the project settings are here. So you have the project name and the description, and that'll be what people see when you share it. So when you share it, it'll look like this. You could change this image by uploading an image and asking Srcbook to change the sharing image. I could show you that in a second. You could upload images here. So I could go and upload any images. Maybe I have something interesting here. Srcbook. Here we go. And now this image will be like available if I go and select images here. I could do that later. Cool, I think that's it. Oh, there's one more thing. So now you can do custom knowledge. So this would be a great place to add like SDK docs, API docs. If you're using like a lesser known SDK or something that the AI keeps getting wrong, you could paste the docs in here, and it's a great way to have the AI know about it. It's going to be sent to every single request of the AI, so be mindful of what you put in here because it counts towards the token limit. So it'll make the app size we support a little smaller. And you can also have fun with it. Please speak like a pirate. You should do this, but you can. And then when you ask for changes, this is going to go through every single time. So it could be like add a profile page. And we should see, so after the reasoning phase, so by the way, this is also pretty new. You could see the AI, what it's thought about. And here it's talking to be like a pirate. Oh, matey. I don't know how to do a pirate voice. Cool, so it's building like the profile page. Actually, once that's done, we could look at navigating in the menu. I'm going to let it finish. All right, actually, we're live, and this is interesting because it's kind of not showing anything. So I would show you what I would do in this case is I would start by refreshing the page, see if that does anything. Oh, that fixed it. If that didn't work, I would have gone to like developer and restart sandbox. I typically try restarting first. Sometimes the sandbox server doesn't refresh properly. So it seems to have created this profile page. Oh, and you see I'm on a profile page, and you can see it up here, navigated to profile. I can go back to the previous one, or I could even type profile here and hit enter and navigate to it as well. So that's the new navigation, which feels a lot like a browser. If you ever used a browser before, I'm going to assume yes, you'll know how this works, and it should be intuitive. Cool. We'd love to hear. Oh, so this is published. We'd love to hear your feedback. Let us know if there's anything you like or don't like. There's a lot more coming soon, but we really are excited about the layout changes so that it looks super clean and simplify the layout as well as give it more functionality. Peace.